I am going to discuss now. Here I take two mirrors, plane mirrors. This is the one mirror, this is the second mirror. For example, this is the first mirror M1, this is the second mirror M2. Both the mirrors are arranged, makes an angle theta. Here theta is the angle between two plane mirrors. Okay. For example, this is the object number here. This object placed between the two plane mirrors. This object illuminate the light. Here this is the light. In the chapter ray optics, light propagated in the form of straight lines. Here it will be fall nana, because of mirror it will be reflect here nana, and again here also reflect, here because of multiple reflections multiple images are formed. That means two mirrors are arranged, make some angle. Okay, object is placed between the mirror, so many images are formed. This phenomena, so many images are formed. This phenomena can be generally used in the sweet shops and large shopping malls, in the dressing rooms. Okay, here in this topic we discuss to find the number of images. Nana. Here two mirrors. This is the first mirror M1. This is the second mirror M2. Both are makes an angle theta nana. In these two mirrors arranged in this way, here nana first to determine 360 by theta. Here theta is angle between two mirrors nana. For example, theta value 60 degrees nana. 360 by 60 is equal to 6. That means that is even nana here. That means 360 by theta will get even number nana. In this case, to determine the number of images formula, I give directly nana. That is, number of images formula is 360 by theta minus 1. This formula is applicable only for first to find the 360 by theta is even, then number of images formula get 360 by theta minus 1. In the second situation is 360 by theta is odd. In this situation, two cases arise nana. Here the first case is, once again I repeat, 360 by theta value is odd. For example, theta value 120, 360 by 123, that means that is odd nana. In this situation, two cases arise. The first case is, this is the mirror. Okay, here these first mirror M1, second mirror M2. This middle line is nothing but the this is called bisector nana. Bisector of the two mirrors. This is also called as symmetrical line. Here object placed on the bisector. In this situation, number of images formula is 360 by theta minus 1. Once again I repeat now. 360 by theta get odd. In this situation, object placed on the symmetrical line or object placed on the bisector of the two mirrors, number of images formula is 360 by theta minus 1. In the another case is, here nana, this is the first mirror M1, this is the second mirror M2. Here this is the bisector nana. Object not placed on the bisector. This condition is called asymmetric condition. In this situation, number of images formula is 360 by theta. Okay. Here 360 by theta can be determined. It becomes odd. In this situation, two cases are arise. First case is object placed on the bisector or object placed on the symmetric line. The number of images formula is 360 by theta minus 1. And again, object placed not on the bisector, the number of images formula is 360 by theta. Suppose a small note also I discuss in this condition here. Suppose 360 by theta value get 4.3. Okay, this is not a even, this is not a odd, this is called fraction. In this situation, directly write number of images is 4. For example, 360 by theta will get, for example, 4.9. This is also fraction. In this situation also, directly write number of images is 4, 4.3, 4, 4.5, 4, 4.9 also 4. That means if this is remaining will be considered as a number of images in the condition. Okay, in this, by using these formulas to determine number of images of two plane mirrors, these plane mirrors are arranged, make some angle. Next concept determine. Next concept, look here, very important concept For example, this is the mirror this board as considered as a mirror. This mirror hangs on a wall Here one person, this is the person this person, to see the mirror, full image of the person to see in the mirror, the length of the mirror required is half that of the height of the person. That means simply call as, once again I repeat, for example, this is the mirror plane mirror. This is the plane mirror. This is a person look here. This person to see its own image, the person, full length of the image can see in the mirror. The length of the mirror is required. The question is, length of the mirror required to see the full image of the person. The direct formula I given 1 by 2 of h Here h is nothing but the height of the person. For example, height of the person, for example, 2 meters What is the length of the mirror required? L equal to half into height of the person 2 cancel. Length of the mirror required is 1 meter. Same concept, different to see here another concept I can explain. Okay, this is the mirror Mirror is generally arranged or hang on a wall This is the mirror. This is the person This is the closed room, for example. Here look here, closed room. This is the mirror. Mirror is hang on a wall Here look here. This is the person. Person is just center of the room Just center of the room. The person wants behind the wall. This is the wall behind the wall. Enakunna wall edaithe undo, behind the wall can see in the mirror. The length of the mirror always required 1 by 3 of the h Here h indicate height of the wall. Once again repeat the question here. The person stands at the center of the room. The person wants behind the wall. The person wants to see behind the wall in a mirror. Length of the mirror required is L equal to 1/3 of the height of the wall Okay, for example, height of the wall is 12 meter is given in the question What is the length of the mirror required to see the complete wall L equal to 1 by 3 into 12 equal to 4 meters. That means length of the mirror required 4 meters in this topic. Okay, these 3 concepts fully revised and next video I can explain some plane mirror problems.